In this video, I am gonna show you how hackers send bulk SMS and confuse their target, and I also show how you can protect yourself from these kinds of things. Let's update and upgrade our system so that can run our tool properly. Now go in any browser and search TBomb Github. Now here you can see first website. Click on this website. Now you can see this tool and their details. I'll show you some more details of this tool. Now see details of this tool and commands of this tool to work properly. Now let's download and install this tool in our system. Follow me. Use git clone command and copy the link of this tool, like how I did it. Follow me very carefully, otherwise you miss some parts, then maybe this thing's not worked for you. I already downloaded this tool. Let's see how we can use it. First, let's change directory into TBomb. Now here let's download and install the requirements of this tool. Now let's execute this tool. Now follow me very carefully what I did and do the same things. Here you can see lots of SMS going into my phone number. If you want to protect yourself from this kinds of things, can put on your airplane mode just for 3 minutes. It's solved all the things.